Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to open trade on Paxful. To open a trade on Paxful, first of all open the Paxful application and log into your account. After signing into your Paxful account, in the first homepage, go ahead and tap on Marketplace button at the bottom. Inside Marketplace, you will be able to see two different tabs, that is buy and sell at the top left corner. Click on buy or sell depending on whether you are looking to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Now, right underneath buy or sell, you will be able to see a drop down. Tap the drop down and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and so on. After choosing one of the cryptocurrency, go to the amount drop down right next to the cryptocurrency and then specify the amount of Ethereum you would like to buy or sell. Now, go to the payment drop down right next to the specified amount and select a payment method. Choose your payment method from the options displayed on the screen, for example bank transfer, PayPal, gift cards, etc. After choosing your payment method, go ahead and scroll through the available offers and choose the one that suits your need. Tap the buy button right next to the option or the sell button right next to the option and you will be able to see this interface. Now you will be able to start the trade. To initiate the transaction, follow the instructions. You can also go ahead and click on open chat and speak directly with the buyer or seller. After you speak to the buyer or seller, follow the instructions from the trade partner and once you agree, you can complete the payment or release the crypto for selling. That is how you will be able to open a trade on Paxful. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.